This short video will guide you through the process of filling out the UBD template for Stage 2. Determine acceptable evidence. I have brought up the relevant sections for Stage 2 of the UBD template using Microsoft Word, and will be scrolling through the document as I discuss each section. The first table of Stage 2 is where you list performance tasks. These tasks provide evidence of deep and enduring understanding by the students. The performance task must be aligned with one or more of the desired results which you have already defined when completing Stage 1 of the UBD template. Place the appropriate code for the desired result in the far left column. In addition, for each performance task, you will list evaluative criteria in the far right column. Here you describe assessments that show the desired results have been reached by the students. Since, for a complicated performance task, there may be many criteria to list, be certain to indicate which are the most important of the assessments. The following table is where other evidence may be listed. In this table, you list evaluative tools other than performance tasks that will be used to determine if the students have achieved the desired results. For example, some of the desired results will be acquisition of skills or knowledge. These may be difficult to assess independently in a performance task, but may be readily assessed by more standard tools such as tests, short essays, or quizzes. As with the performance tasks, you will align each of the other evidence assessments with desired results from Stage 1 and provide the appropriate code in the far left column. In addition, you will provide appropriate evaluative criteria for each of the evidence measures in the far right column. The last section is for defining the grading rubric. In this section, you write the evaluative criteria for each of the items on the performance task and other evidence lists. Then, for each of these criteria, you provide a graded list of objective measures. In this template, 4 levels of achievement are noted, ranging from exemplary to no evidence. There can be more or less than 4 levels of achievement in the grading rubric, depending upon the specific criterion. A holistic approach grades each assessment using a single rubric. However, you may choose to use an analytic approach, wherein each assessment is divided into any number of components using the same or different grading rubric for each criterion. In either case, it is important that the criteria are objective so that the learning unit can be transferred when other instructors are grading students' performance. When teaching the unit, the grading rubric will be made public so that students will know in advance what is expected of them and will adjust their learning to achieve the desired results you have laid out for the learning unit.